We looked at each other and we smiled. We were like, now this song, no one can stop this song because it's huge.
Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la.
A good song is a good song. It doesn't matter whether it's in Hindi, English or Chinese or... Shekhar and I have never sat down and said कि यार ये गाना बहुत चलेगा या ये picture बहुत चलेगी. We are not businessmen, like I said to you. We are musicians. We make music.
मेरी fantasy.
Make sure the director is happy with the way he's got his music. That's the thing. For us, it ends there. Every day people tweet us about, Hamshika Iyer was the fantastic choice for Chamak Chal.
ये लड़की ऐसे ही आग लगाएगी. ये मोटी.
Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. तू है मेरी fantasy.
छूना ना छूना ना, छूना ना छूना ना, अब मैं जवा हो गई.
Ooh la la, ooh la la.
What has happened with this film in a way is picturization has taken the songs to another level altogether. We generally don't see these kind of picturization. I think almost oranges behind and even the dressing and
Matkas.
everything. I think all matkas and even the furry those thing in the hand and everything. It's to another level altogether. When you saw your songs after they were picturized, did you have some strange kind of sensation?
Especially for us, for Vishal and I, it's very, very difficult to satisfy us here when you see visuals. When after our song is recorded and director goes and shoots it, very rarely we feel कि यार गाने को justice हुआ है.
Because your imaginations are...
Your imaginations are like this song is going to be somewhere else. Yeah. And when we saw Ooh La La, both of us looked at each other and we
Even Nasir Saab is
Unbelievable.
Nasir Saab is looking.
We looked at each other and we smiled. We were like, now this song, no one can stop this song because it's huge. The way Nasir ji and Vidya, the way they've rocked it, plus the dancers behind and
I think
the
almost
set,
every-
Pony Verma's choreography, unbelievable.
The trolley and the trolley shot off the trolley. It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's truly awesome.
Yeah. And the best part, I personally feel it's not vulgar. It's not looking vulgar at all. I think it's
the
part of
thing
the
is, you're
context
recreating
and
a time where this was how things
this
were
was
done.
right.
This is at the end of the day, none of us is. To be honest, this is not an invention or a creation.
Right. It's already.
गाने ऐसे होते थे उस ज़माने में. You can't really argue with that. So.
Fantastic. Could you please sing Ooh La La for us?
Yeah. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, तू है मेरी fantasy. छूना ना छूना ना, छूना ना छूना ना, अब मैं जवा हो गई.
अरे ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. तू है मेरी fantasy.
Couple of more questions. Amongst your own filmography, which has been the most satisfying work so far?
There's a lot of really satisfying work. That we've done.
Does it bother you guys a soundtrack like Anjana Anjani? I think almost all the songs are fantastic. The film doesn't work. Maybe somewhere the music suffers as well.
Man, this is stuff we don't think about. To be absolutely honest with you, Shekhar and I have never sat down and said कि यार ये गाना बहुत चलेगा या ये picture बहुत चलेगी. We are not businessmen, like I said to you. We are musicians. We make music. We've had enough success that we can't grudge the occasional
सही बात है.
गाना घुस गया तो that's life. ये होता है.
नहीं, बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि commercially नहीं चली या ये नहीं चली वो नहीं चली. I know a lot of people who love Anjana Anjani. And today also when we perform the songs of Anjana Anjani on stage, people go crazy.
They go nuts.
They go mad.
Just in Pune
Like-
doing the show, music
Right.
release के दिन.
Right.
Anjana
We had
Anjani,
like 10,000 kids there going completely crazy for the song.
तुझे बुला दिया. People go completely mad.
मुझे भुला दिया फिर क्यों तेरी यादों ने मुझे रुला दिया मुझे रुला दिया.
At the end of the day, script जब सामने होती है, to be true, be honest to the script, make sure the director is happy with the way he's got his music. That's the thing. For us, it ends there.
Correct. Exactly.
This is our journey. उसके बाद लोग प्रशंसा करें या उनको ना पसंद आए, that's a different thing altogether. If they don't like it, we always try our level best to work hard and make sure that we put in a lot of effort.
बिल्कुल.
We have fun. We have a lot of fun. This place for us is a place where a lot of madness happens. But we do it with our heart. We work
Fantastic.
really hard
Okay,
for
so
it.
I can ask you, for example, what film was Allah Ke Bande from?
वैसा
You're a
भी.
film journalist.
But
So you will know. But like
Yeah.
किसी और को आप पूछो, अच्छा गाना जो है.
you written the song as well.
Yeah. But a good song is a good song. Is the point I'm trying to make. Sometimes the film doesn't work, fair enough. But if your songs are great, the songs still, still shine through. Anjana Anjani for us is a soundtrack like that. I mean, for whatever it's worth, the film did work, just not as, it wasn't as big as people's expectations were. It still made money for everybody. So sometimes that's life. What do you do?
Your 5 favorite tracks, maybe, or most satisfying songs so far.
अल्लाह के बंदे,
अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे
तू आशिकी है,
तेरी चाहत जिंदगी है तू मोहब्बत तू आशिकी है तू आशिकी है
तू न जाने आसपास है खुदा.
तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा
I mean, you
pick
whether
it. We
it's
actually-
Sumana or whether it's the songs from Anjana Anjani, the slow title track that nobody even really heard, but those who have heard it really love it and really care for it.
the songs of Shabd.
खोया खोया था दुनिया की राहों में तुझसे मिलके हूँ मैं खोया तेरी निगाहों में
Our first film प्यार में कभी कभी.
प्यार में कभी कभी या मुसु मुसु.
मुसु मुसु हासी दिल मलाई लाई मुसु मुसु हासी दिल जरा मुस्कुरा दे जरा मुस्कुरा दे
Maybe 5 songs of you and you, both of them, which need not be your songs, but have really inspired you over the years. It can be English, it can be Hindi, anything.
जरा 5 में कैसे होगा यार? There are millions
जितने
of
आप, अगर जो भी आपके एकदम जहन में फौरन आए.
There are literally मैं आपको 300 की तो लिस्ट अभी दे सकता हूँ off the top of my head. The songs that I have lived with and that are part of my daily life, which मतलब अगर मैं कहीं अकेला हूँ तो सर में 300 कम से कम होंगे. शेखर will have another 600%.
अगर आप हम लोग के लिए फिलहाल के लिए अगर आप लोग 4-5
It's very difficult. It's a very difficult question because
But you know,
five
some songs are part of your life. Maybe
The thing is,
they're more special than
if we
other
name
songs.
5 also, we'll suddenly have 20 more from behind saying that, hey, hello, what about us? Because you've been thinking of us more than that. So, the thing is, it's difficult to answer that question.
Especially for a musician, उनको तो ऐसा पूछना ही नहीं चाहिए कभी. Music is our life. We live in that ocean. You understand what I'm saying? So,
Chammak Chalo has become such a huge rage. In fact, how do you look at this number? Because it's not only huge in India. It's done very well internationally as well.
Sure. I think a good song is a good song. It doesn't matter whether it's in Hindi, English, or Chinese or Swahili.
Right.
I think it's fantastic that Akon came to do it. I think it's great that Shah Rukh really pulled that off, supported it, and when you have Shah Rukh's face on a song, anyway, 1 billion people are going to listen to it. You know that. And then you have Akon, who himself is a major star, and then you have Vishal and Shekhar composing that song, and it all comes together, and the energy is fantastic, and then it becomes what it became, and we're just grateful for that.
Girl, you're my chamakachallo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You could be my chamakachallo.
Do you feel that maybe Hamsika Iyer has not got the due credit for that? In a way?
Of course, Hamshika, I know Hamshika since last almost 20 years now.
Right.
A phenomenal singer, and then Vishal and I have been always talking about, bringing in Hamshika on. She does a lot of advertising. She sings in a lot of
She must have
jingles.
done 50-60 advertising tracks with us.
Right.
Back in the
And she's also sung for a few films.
Right.
Eklavya
Eklavya she did,
sang,
yeah.
And but
Stanley Ka Dabba as well recently, I think.
I'm
yeah.
not sure.
Yeah, Stanley Ka Dabba she did.
And Anubhav came to us when we finished recording this track. He said, I need some bits of female and little South Indian kind of
Right,
zone to it. And we looked at each other and we were like, let's call Hamshika to sing this, because she's got a fantastic voice and it'll be great. The section will be fantastic. Work really well. And then, people loved her voice. In fact, every day people tweet us about, Hamshika Iyer was the fantastic choice for Chammak Chalo.
कैसा शर्माना तुझे नच के दिखा दूं मेरा हो जाए जो मैं पर्दा गिरा दूं हाँ तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूं हाँ तू ना नखरे दिखा.
In fact, we did an interview with her, and on a YouTube channel of Hangama, someone read that wrote that she's the next Kavita Krishnamurti and stuff like that.
But she's got her own space, yeah. She's got her own vibe.
Texture to her voice.
Right. Fantastic. That was Vishal Shekhar. I think we can talk a lot, but I think there are other people waiting as well. Talking about their next film, The Dirty Picture, we've also spoken about. They've also spoken about the contentious issue of music rights and music copyrights primarily, and piracy as well, and a whole lot of other things as well. Thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hangama. Lovely to have you, and all the best wishes for The Dirty Picture and all your forthcoming ventures.
Thank you so much.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.